under the table.
Oh.
And on this table, they're painting saran wrap.
Oh. Why is it so hard? I can't even get any color.
You need some more paint?
Yeah.
What color do you want?
Yellow.
Need your brother.
Hey, can you put it blank? Guys, these are dirty.
What are dirty?
These cups.
Okay.
The people that
Yeah, I have some at home. I just haven't brought in yet.
But these are dirty. I was really sure I didn't get this.
That's okay. There's lots of people. That's okay. The cups are dirty.
Hey,
Yes, they're mixed up colors. Doesn't have to be. We can't save the pictures, honey, because you're painting on saran wrap.
Oh, wait, what?
It's process, not product.
What is that?